Okay, anytime you have 2 points, okay, look, we have a line with so many points, an infinite number of points because we have an arrow going this way and going this way. So this line goes forever and ever and ever in both directions. And we have all these locations, right? You could pick any points, but hey, guess what? Thank you, Delta Math. You've already given me 2 points and it's making it easy for me. So anytime you have 2 points, I want you to go to your stat button and hit enter, and we're going to edit these lists. Now, we could put 1,000,000 points in this table of values, but we don't need to. At minimum, we need 2 points to determine a line. So I'm going to type in 60 for the X value and 197 for the Y. And in this table of values, list 1 will be the X and list 2 will be the Y, alphabetical order. So easy to remember. So I'm going to hit 60 and then enter to store that value. And then we can arrow around to go back and type in the Y values. So once you have, now wait a second, did I do that right? 63, 204, and 61. Yes. So once you have 2 points from a line, you can write an equation of that line. And it takes multiple steps on paper and it takes multiple steps on the calculator, but I'm going to show you the calculator trick today. So we went to stat and we are editing our list. We put our points in. Now go back to stat and we need to scroll to the right to calc. And since we have a line, a linear function, we need to select option 4. You could arrow down or just hit the number 4 for LIN REG. Linear regression, you don't really need to know that, but LIN, it looks like the first part of line. So hopefully that will help you remember. And you're going to hit enter. And then it's going to give you all these settings that you can change. We don't want to change anything. So hit enter, 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 until it gives you the equation of the line. So y equals ax plus b. Now in the calculator, they use a and b. On your formula chart and in any math textbook, slope will always be m. And so you will see it otherwise, y equals mx plus b. Let me show you on your formula chart, hang tight. Okay, I pulled up the formula chart. And as you can see, this very first one for linear equations, slope-intercept form, that's the equation of a line. We call it that because the slope is listed first and the y-intercept is listed second. So y equals mx plus b. So it's very similar to what the calculator decided to use, a and b versus m and b. So hopefully you can just remember that the slope is typically m, but it's always what's stuck to your x value. So if we look back at our equation, you see they say ax plus b, and a, whatever stuck to x, is your slope. 2.33 repeating, and then your y-intercept is 57. So if I were to write this equation, I would, we'll do this. Okay. I would write it like this. Oh, try that again. Okay. Y equals 2.3333 repeating x plus 57. That is the equation of this line.